The magic, or let's say the power of ambisonics, originates from the fact that the individual channels of an ambisonic signal are related to each other in a strict mathematical sense. This means that if we manipulate a channel of an ambisonic signal, or let's say a subset of channels of an ambisonic signal by, say, amplifying it or attenuating it or equalizing it, we break the mathematical relation between the channels, and the result of the decoding can be quite different from what we were expecting. It is absolutely possible to edit ambisonic signal in a classical sense, in terms of, say, equalizing them or fading in, fading out and the like, but we have to make sure that we apply this processing in the exact same way on all channels of the ambisonic signal. It is also possible to apply manipulations of ambisonic signals that take advantage of the mathematical relation between the different channels and implement spatial transformation, like, for example, rotation of the entire sound scene about an arbitrary axis. This is an operation that is very useful upon binaural decoding because it allows for applying head tracking straightforwardly. You can guess that the effect of turning the head in one direction on the ear signals is the same as turning the sound scene into the other direction. There are plugins available for this. There are other spatial manipulations that are possible, for example, direction-dependent attenuation or amplification. So one can, for example, amplify everything that is straight ahead or behind and the like. It is possible to mirror a sound scene, top, bottom, front, back, left, right, etc. And it is possible to perform directional warping and, for example, squash everything in the sound scene towards the front or towards the rear or up or down and the like. The mathematics behind these transformations are rather advanced, and I can unfortunately not go into detail here, but luckily, as always, there are plugins that are available for this. I would like to leave it with this and wrap up this video series with highlighting a few pieces of information that you find in the accompanying PDF document that were not really suitable for a presentation format, so that we chose not to include them here. Amongst others, you will find some explanation of ambisonic specific terminology and also a collection of software tools for ambisonics. The document contains hyperlinks to all these tools. This is, of course, only the tools that we are aware of. Please excuse if we may have omitted to include a tool that you find particularly useful. To wrap it up, I want to thank one more time the European Commission for supporting the creation of the Spatial Audio Practical Master Guide, of which this tutorial that I presented here is a part. Thanks for watching, and especially thanks for watching until the very end.